Good morning. Oh, sorry. Good afternoon. It's afternoon now. Good afternoon and assalamu alaikum, students. Take out page number 17 of your books, please. And turn on your cameras, everyone. Take out page number 17 of your books. Okay, on page number 17, there is a question number 2. Read the passage again and answer the questions. These question answers will be sent to you in the form of homework, so don't worry about that. Just start from here. The book work we are going to do, complete the sentences with words from the story. Yes, Tuba, unmute yourself.
टीचर मैंने आपसे उस दिन भी कहा था मेरी बुक अलग है आपकी बुक अलग है। टीचर मेरे पेज आपके जैसे नहीं है।
क्या मेरे जैसे नहीं है? ये सेंटेंसेस सेम नहीं है आपके?
टीचर सेंटेंसेस भी नहीं और जो फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स है वो भी नहीं है, रीडिंग भी सेम नहीं है।
Okay. I will contact school office, then I will tell you what you have to do. Okay.
ओके टीचर तो मैं करना करूंगी वाला काम।
Right now,
Okay.
you just right now, agar if it is possible, so you can write these blanks in your rough copy or your classwork copy. Is it possible?
ओके तो टीचर क्वेश्चन
Hello.
आंसर्स भी ये वाले नहीं करूंगी मैं।
I can't hear you, Tuba.
टीचर
आपकी आवाज बहुत कट रही है.
टीचर ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी ये वाले नहीं लिखूंगी मैं।
Question answers तो I will send you that you have to copy it on your classwork copy. ठीक है? I am asking about this book exercise. Can you write it down in your rough copy right now?
ओके टीचर रीडिंग जैसे क्वेश्चन रीडिंग का नाम क्या लिखेंगे? मेरी रीडिंग का नाम कुछ और है।
तुबा, आपकी आवाज बहुत कट रही है.
टीचर ये जो रीडिंग है ना तो रीडिंग का नाम मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर में क्या लिखूंगी?
बेटा, मैं आपसे वही कह रही हूँ कि अभी आप अभी देखो टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है. अभी आप रीडिंग को और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को छोड़ दो ना. अभी आप अगर पॉसिबल है टेक आउट योर रफ कॉपी और आपको स्क्रीन शेयरिंग हो रही है, वहां से आप ये ब्लैंक्स को कॉपी पे लिख लो. ठीक है?
ओके ओके
बाकी आपकी बुक का चेंज है वो मैं अब बात करके आपको बताती हूँ कि व्हाट यू हैव टू डू विद इट. ओके, जस्ट डोंट वरी. परेशान मत हो. आई विल सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम. यस तानिया, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
टीचर आज लूनर एक्लिप्स है।
सॉरी,
आज लूनर एक्लिप्स है।
दानिया आप क्या बोल रहे हो? इज इट रिलेटेड टू योर लेसन?
नो
So just focus on your lessons, please. Don't waste the time. Take out this page number 17 of your books and we have to complete the sentences with the words from the story. First letter is given of every word. A baby wolf or bear is called a cub. C-U-B, cub likhe. Tuba, please note it down in your rough classwork copy. Don't worry about your book or about your lesson, about your question answers. Question answers I will send you. You will just have to copy it on your classwork copy. अभी फिलहाल आप इसको complete करें on your rough copy. ठीक है? A baby wolf or bear is called a cub. C-U-B, cub. C is already written. You will just write U and B. Number 2, a deep hole in a hill where animals live in a C. What it is? Cave. C-A-V-E, cave. Right? Cave in it. Big animals dash small animals to kill and eat them. What does big animals do? They hunt small animals. So you will write hunt. H-U-N-T, hunt. Why your cameras are off? Azan, Danial, Tuba, Ayan, turn on your cameras. Turn on your cameras, everyone. The entrance to a cave is called the marsh. M-A-R-S-H, marsh. M-A-R-S-H, marsh. Number 5. If you have your own house, the house belongs to you. B-E-L-O-N-G-S, belongs. B-E-L-O-N-G-S, belongs to you. People who steal things from other people are? The people who steal from other people are thief. T-H-I-E-F, thief. अजान, आपका भी वही इशू है जो तूबा का इशू है बेटा. Unmute yourself, Azan.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. What happened?
टीचर मेरा जो है ना वो क्या कहते हैं आपसे ना पेन ना बहुत डिफरेंट है. जैसे कि आपने ये ऊपर ऑप्शन दी हुई है ना, ये मेरी ऑप्शंस नहीं आ रही. अब बेबी वर्क और क्वेश्चंस भी चेंज है, क्वेश्चन भी चेंज है.
Blank सेम है.
ब्लैंक भी नहीं सेम, ब्लैंक भी नहीं लिखी, बस रीडिंग लिखी हुई है पेन.
ओके तो आप अभी ये लिख लो ब्लैंक्स अपनी कॉपी पे. कैन यू राइट इट डाउन ऑन रफ कॉपी? आई एम शेयरिंग स्क्रीन ना, वहां से देख के लिख लो.
टीचर मेरे पास अब रजिस्टर नहीं है.
Why beta, you should have one na. Sometimes we have to copy things on rough register. Don't you have any rough page?
टीचर मेरा फिनिश हो गया था ना, आज मैंने न्यू लेना है.
Okay, is there anyone in your home have phone? तो आप picture click कर लो from my screen that I am sharing.
ओके टीचर मैं देख लेता हूँ अगर हो तो.
Then you can copy it down. ठीक है?
टीचर
Yes.
टीचर मेरा ना वो वाला इशू हो गया था. जैसा कि अब मेरा ना पिछली बार मैंने लिखा था, मेरे पास बुक नहीं थी. उस वक्त ना मेरा इशू हो गया था, मुझसे लिखा नहीं जा रहा था क्योंकि ना मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही थी, क्योंकि वो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स थी ना, वो फिल इन द ब्लैंक मैंने रॉन्ग लिखी हुई थी. वो पेज नंबर
17.
17 ही वो था. 14 13 था जिसका. In the monsoon season, the rain in the ground. On the one day, Mr. Burka come to our village. He said we should build a rainwater stroke system. उसके बाद मैंने लिखा है, so my father make a water from cement. My uncle put
हाँ
a
तो
new
अजान ये
roof.
आपके सही सही हैं, सारे सही हैं, these all are correct. ठीक है, ये सब सही है, they are not wrong.
Okay, teacher, thank you very, very much.
You are welcome. Okay, so next we were on, sorry, we were on sentence number 5. Those who have joined late, we are on page number 17. Question answer will be sent to you. Just complete these sentences on your books, and this will be on your book only. You don't have to write it down on your copies. You will just have to note down question answers, which I will send you on your classwork copies. Okay? The homework you will get from school, question answers are given in it. Okay, I'm not going to send it on your WhatsApp again. All the question answers are given in your school homework that you will get from school. As previously you have got a copy, okay?
Yes, teacher, मुझे समझ नहीं आई.
क्या समझ नहीं आई?
आप क्या कह रही हैं? आपके पास कट भी रही है.
I am saying you will get question answers from the school, from the that school homework. Previously you have got school homework, na?
Yes.
Likewise, we have given you school homework. Question answer will be given in it. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Yes, Shajiha, unmute yourself.
टीचर
जी.
आपने जो हमें कहा ये नोट्स का कहा है, हमें कब मिलेंगे?
School will inform you when you have to go and get from the school. Okay?
Okay.
Who is this? Okay, next is number 5. If you have your own house. Okay, Arshaman, I will unmute you. Give me 1 minute just. The house belongs to you. Who is doing this? क्या problem है? What's wrong with you, class? What you are doing? Arshman, unmute yourself.
टीचर ये कौन सा पेज है?
Beta page number 17.
ओके टीचर. टीचर आपने फर्स्ट पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? A baby wolf or bear called?
Cub, C-U-B, cub. First one is cub. A deep hole in a hill where animals live is a cave. C-A-V-E, cave. Third one is big animals hunt small animals to kill and eat them. The entrance to a cave is called the marsh, M-A-R-S-H, marsh. If you have your own house, the house belongs to you. People who steal things from other people are thief, T-H-I-E-F, thief. A large thick forest in Asia is called a jungle, J-U-N-G-L-E, jungle. Come to next question number 5. Many people have written stories about animals who can talk. Look at these ideas and say if you agree or disagree. Okay, these are some of the ideas about animals which people have written in their stories. So we have to tell whether we agree with it or whether we disagree. Agree means ke manna, disagree means ke na manna. Animals can't talk. Disagree likhe hai. Okay, Azan, you can then rewatch the YouTube video again and you can copy it down on your classwork copy. Yes, sir, Shuman.
Teacher, animal can't talk. Not
Animals kya? Animals can't talk. Disagree. This is disagree.
not
Animals can talk.
not agree.
Not agree नहीं लिखना उसको disagree करें. This is I have to write it down disagree but मैंने not agree लिख दिया. Write disagree.
Disagree. Okay.
Yes, Tuba. Tuba, I can't hear you properly. Just check it down your audio or use hand free.
टीचर ये फर्स्ट पे क्या लिखा है आपने फर्स्ट पे?
On blanks.
यस जो आप करवा रही हैं अभी.
मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 करवा रही हूँ. आप उसकी बात कर रहे हो?
टीचर इसका करने वाला क्या?
Animals can't talk. Disagree. Write it down.
Okay.
Disagree.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. टीचर नेक्स्ट सब पे ए लिख दूं.
Next page you will write agree. Write full spellings. Animals can understand human instructions like stop, agree. Write complete spellings agree, agree. Number 3, perhaps animals can talk, but humans don't understand their language. We don't understand animals' language completely what they are saying, so just agree with this statement. Perhaps wolves can talk to the wolves and monkeys to monkeys, but wolves can't talk to monkeys. Agree. Write agree in front of it. Write complete spellings, please. Number 5, animals can't speak like humans, but they use a language of noises. Yes, agree. Write complete spellings agree, agree. Number 6, some animals are cleverer than humans. Yes, agree. No, write disagree. Animals can't be cleverer than humans. Write disagree in it. Number 6 one is disagree. Some animals are cleverer than humans. Write disagree in it. disagree. Done. Now take out next page, page number 18. Yes, Daniel, unmute yourself.
टीचर क्वेश्चन 4
Yes.
का क्या था?
Question 4, we are not going to do it right now.
टीचर जो हमने पहले कराया था.
Question 3. Read
ये
the
उसे
question, na
अगले
beta. Read
टीचर
the
उसे अगले
question.
5.
Read the question. Beta, read the question
Many
I'm
people
saying.
have write story about animal who can talk. Look and these ideas and
Okay,
stay.
इसका कौन सा part आपने नहीं किया? Which part you are saying?
Teacher 4, 5, 6.
4. Fourth one is agree. Fifth one is also agree. Plate पड़ी है. And 6-1 is disagree.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Now take out next page. Page number 18.
Teacher, page number 18
Page number 18. Take out page number 18.
teacher.
Page number 18 is lesson number 3, unit number 3 and lesson number 4 sentences. We will read about fact and opinion. Opinion is fact is the truth कि किसी भी चीज के बारे में जो सच हो, बिल्कुल परफेक्ट हो, ठीक है, जिसको आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते, जो फैक्ट होता है वो एक ट्रुथ चीज होती है। एंड
Teacher.
ओपिनियन क्या होता है? ओपिनियन किसी भी हर पर्सन का डिफरेंट होता है। ओपिनियन वेरीज फ्रॉम ईच पर्सन। यस सुबह।
टीचर मेरा भी ओपिनियन और फॉर्म फिल के टीचर मेरे अलग अलग साइट्स पे लिखे हुए हैं, कोई इधर है कोई उधर है।
आई विल रीड द सेंटेंसेस, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप उसको ठीक कर लेना, ठीक है।
ओके।
एंड टर्न ऑन योर कैमराज एवरीवन।
अलग है, आपकी
क्या?
अलग है ये टीचर, आपके ओपिनियन और फॉर्म्स अलग है।
तुबा आई विल रीड आउट द सेंटेंसेस, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप फिल कर लेना, ठीक है।
ओके।
ओके okay, now we have to tell whether these sentences, this is the text about panther. Study corner में देखें, look in the study corner. What is a fact about panther? Panthers are big black cats. This is fact and this is truth. And what is opinion? Panthers are beautiful. Some will say panthers are beautiful, some will say panthers are ugly, some will say panthers are scary. So all this is, these are opinions. हर बंदे का different opinion होगा, but the fact will remain the same. It cannot be changed that panthers are black, big black cats. आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि panthers are big white cats. This is not a fact. ठीक है? Fact is the truth about that thing. Now what we have to do is we have to read the text about panthers and we will write F where you think the sentence is fact and O where you think the sentence is an opinion. I will just read the paragraph for you so that it will be easy कि कौन सा fact है कौन सा opinion है. First two is done for you. Panthers are large wild cats like leopards, but they are black. This is fact. तो उन्होंने F लिख दी है. I think they are beautiful animals. I think that means it is opinion. So they have written here O. They live in Africa and parts of Asia such as China. This is also a fact. They live in Africa and some parts of China. There are very few panthers in the world. This is fact. F, write just F in it. So we shouldn't hunt them. This is opinion that we shouldn't hunt them because they are very few in the world left. Next paragraph. Panthers don't live in big groups. This is fact. They don't live in big groups. They don't hunt in groups. They usually live alone in the forest or jungle. This is also fact, write F. Panthers hunt small deer. This is also fact, write F. They also eat small cows and goats, write F, fact. And they catch wild dogs too. This is also a fact, write F. Sometimes they attack humans and eat them. This is also a fact. They also hunt humans. Despite of hunting animals, other small and innocent animals, they also hunt humans. I think they are frightening. This is opinion. जहाँ पे think की बात आई है, I think that means this is your thinking. This is not any fact. Yes, who's this? Write your proper name, beta. Unmute
Okay,
yourself.
teacher.
Azan, write your proper name. You have raised a hand. Do you have any question?
Teacher, no.
Okay. Next paragraph. In some ways, panthers are like tigers. They live alone. They hunt at night and they can swim very well. This is a fact. Write F in it. Panthers can climb trees, but tigers can't. This is also a fact. Panther can climb trees, but tiger cannot climb trees. So this is a fact. Sometimes a panther or a leopard climbs a tree with a dead animal in its mouth. Fact. They go up on the tree on the top and they just eat their food or their meal there on the trees. Then it sits in the tree and finishes its meal. Fact. And the last one. Panthers are lucky animals. Panthers are lucky animals. This is a fact. Oh, sorry, opinion. They hunt, but no animals hunt them. Yes, this is a fact. They hunt other animals, but no other animal can hunt them because they are very fast in speed. Okay, now all with these we have done. What you have to do is look at question number 2, read the text again silently, close your books, report one of Saira's facts or opinions to win a point for your team. This is your homework. While after doing this, read this paragraph again. And you have to write by heart, okay, on your own, by yourself. One fact and one opinion you have remembered about the Panthers. आपने एक फैक्ट और एक ओपिनियन लिखना है पैंथर्स के बारे में by closing your books and memorizing in your heart. ठीक है, बुक खोल के आपने एक फैक्ट और ओपिनियन नहीं लिखना, जस्ट मेमोराइज इट इन योर हार्ट और हेड. रीड द पैराग्राफ अगेन केयरफुली और फिर जो भी एक फैक्ट और एक ओपिनियन आपके माइंड में आता है, राइट इट डाउन. And you have to write it down on your copies. ठीक है, one fact and one opinion. Yes, beta.
टीचर,
जी
टीचर मेरी तो बुक चेंज है, फिर मैं होमवर्क कैसे करूंगा?
बेटा कैसे चेंज है? आपका यही पैराग्राफ नहीं था?
टीचर मेरे सारे आपसे बुक चेंज है, सारी कॉपी चेंज है.
Okay, I will tell you what you have to do. Yes, Shadiha.
टीचर ये
जी
अभी हमने इनमें से हमने जुमले बनाने हैं।
नो नो बेटा, जुमले नहीं बनाने। हमने ये फैक्ट्स और ओपिनियन पढ़े हैं ना पैंथर के बारे में सारे।
यस।
ठीक है, आपने इसकी एक बार फिर से रीडिंग करनी है सारी। उसके बाद यू विल हैव टू क्लोज योर बुक, और जो भी एक फैक्ट और एक ओपिनियन आपको याद रहता है ना इन पैंथर के बारे में, वो एक फैक्ट और एक ओपिनियन कॉपी पे लिख देना है बस।
ओके
ठीक है,
ओके
खुद से नहीं लिखना, जो बुक में ही लिखा हुआ है वहीं से ही एक फैक्ट और एक ओपिनियन लिख देना है।
ओके टीचर
ओके,
देख के नहीं लिखना।
नहीं देख के नहीं लिखना, जस्ट रीड द पैराग्राफ अगेन, एक दो दफा, 1 to 2 टाइम्स रीड इट अगेन, और फिर आपको मेमोराइज हो जाएगा। देन यू कैन राइट 1 फैक्ट एंड 1 ओपिनियन।
ओके
ओके, यस बेटा।
टीचर ये नीट कॉपी पे लिखना है या रफ कॉपी पे?
नो नो, नीट कॉपी पे, बट जस्ट 1 फैक्ट एंड 1 ओपिनियन, इससे ज्यादा नहीं। ठीक है, डू मेंशन पेज नंबर एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर, lesson and unit name, and then you can write 1 fact and 1 opinion. Okay,
ओके
good. Yes, Ayan. Ayan, unmute yourself. Ayan Rashid, unmute yourself. Yes, Tuba.
टीचर होमवर्क क्या है हमारा?
Your homework is you have to read this passage again, and you have to write 1 fact and 1 opinion, which is written in your book.
ओके
ठीक है, बाय हार्ट, डोंट ओपन योर बुक एंड जस्ट राइट। आपको खुद दिमाग में जो भी आता है 1 फैक्ट एंड 1 ओपिनियन याद हुआ
Okay.
वो आपने लिखना है ऑन योर कॉपीज।
ओके
ओके,
ओके
एनी क्वेश्चन, एनीवन एल्स? यस अजान, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
टीचर
जी
टीचर टीचर
यस बेटा।
ये जो आपने इधर तक करवाया है वो ये टीचर आपने कौन से टीचर ओपिनियन लिखने हैं?
जो मैंने अभी पैराग्राफ कराया है पैंथर्स के बारे में, फैक्ट्स एंड ओपिनियन, उसी में से एक फैक्ट और एक ओपिनियन यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन इन योर क्लास वर्क कॉपी।
ओके टीचर
ओके,
Thank you.
बाय हार्ट, बुक ओपन करके नहीं, रीड द पैसेज अगेन 2 to 3 टाइम्स, और फिर जो भी आपको मेमोराइज रहता है फैक्ट एंड ओपिनियन अबाउट पैंथर, जस्ट राइट इट डाउन इन योर कॉपीज। नो चीटिंग बाय ओपनिंग योर बुक। ओके,
Okay, thank you.
वेलकम। Any other question, anyone? अजान, फिर से क्वेश्चन? जी,
टीचर मैंने तो नहीं किया क्वेश्चन।
आपने हैंड रेज किया है।
नो
ओके, okay, I hope you all have understood your homework, but you have to please write down question number and unit and lesson name. ठीक है, question number page number, unit, and lesson. All these things should be mentioned in your copy before doing your homework. Otherwise, I won't be able to see or understand which question it is of which lesson. So do write unit, lesson, and question number. Also mention page number also. You will write heading, unit number 3, lesson number 4 sentences, question number 2, and page number is 18. Then you will write the answer. Okay? Okay, take care of yourselves, everyone. I am ending the meeting right now. And do your homework properly with proper mentioning of chapter, unit, and lesson.